A critic of Locke's on knowledge of sense data. Locke believed that sensual experiences reveal knowledge of the external world. In defense of his stance, the philosopher distinguishes physical objects from the human sense which generates ideas. His approach assumes that the mind does not come into the worlds already inscribed with ideas or knowledge. The only role of the mind is to receive and differentiate one idea from the other to furnish understanding. The process of understanding from vague ideas and assumptions is complex and primarily takes place in the mind. According to Locke, knowledge formation occurs in different steps, starting with simple ideas, which are the raw materials for understanding. Such fundamental concepts are then synthesized by the mind to form complex ideas, which can be in relations, substances, or modes. The definition given to the modes is that they are complicated but cannot exist independently. The relations are simple ideas that the mind synthesizes to make a new whole. Locke also states that sensation cannot faithfully reflect reality. The implication is that reliance on sensual data only to derive knowledge may be misleading. The concepts of Locke on knowledge have received criticism from the other theorists in the rationalist school of thought. Descartes disabused his notion, stating that our most important items of knowledge must be innate. The other criticism of Locke's approach is that his arguments are contradictory. For instance, Locke admits that infants are born with ideas, such as those of infirmities, from the womb which they cannot recognize as babies. The genesis of knowledge for Locke is perception through sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing from the physical environment only. He thus contradicts his initial concept of humans coming to the world as tabula rasa, since there are experiences in the womb. Conclusively, John Locke makes a significant observation regarding the process through which the physical environment transmits ideas to human perception, which are then synthesized by the brain to become knowledge. However, his notion that sensation is the only way of acquiring knowledge is incorrect. Newborns often have innate ideas like the need to be fed. Locke's belief that people only have cognizance of sense and not the external world is also not convincing.